If anybody thinks yoga is escapism, then they are equating yoga with things like drugs and drinks. We are not escapists. As I told you this morning, I wish to emphasize again, we are not participating in meditation and this process of Sahaj Marg to escape from life. I may even venture to say, as some philosophers have also said before me, that God is a human creation. Because for those of us who have not achieved the divine state of existence, we do not know what God really is, who God is, whether such a thing exists. It is like a beggar talking of wealth. Can we see God? No, because there is no physical form to see. He is nameless. You cannot call him by any name. He is formless. You cannot see his form. He has no qualities. Therefore, you cannot describe him by any quality. And finally, my master says God can have no mind because when he has a mind, he has consciousness. When he has consciousness, the duality of existence is before him. He ceases to be divinity, the ultimate divinity. Let me assure you that in Sahaj Marg, we do not run away from life. We are trying to break our way into real life, into eternal life, into divine life by leaving behind us all those foolish miseries of human existence, of a merely human existence, by throwing off our chains of bondage, which are nothing but our own creation, created by our past thoughts, by our actions.